Rajen Jani tutorial. Start. Discuss your favorite leisure activities.
When I have some free time, I love immersing myself in creative pursuits. Sketching mythological scenes is a favorite pastime, as I find something magical about bringing legendary tales to life with intricate strokes. Watching engaging documentaries on ancient civilizations also keeps me hooked. It feels like traveling back in time. Of course, nothing beats a good conversation with friends, whether debating Greek mythology or sharing thoughts on creative projects. A relaxing evening might involve flipping through a well-researched book on mythology or experimenting with digital tools to enhance artwork. Occasionally, I indulge in some light music to set the mood. It is amazing how melodies can spark inspiration. Leisure, to me, is about enriching the mind and soul while enjoying the things that make life fascinating.
Rajen Jani tutorial. End.
Expand your vocabulary. All the words used in this English-speaking practice tutorial are listed as parts of speech like nouns, verbs, etc. This entire vocabulary list can be freely downloaded from the download link given in the description box of this video. Download this list now and learn the words and idioms to use with this topic. For more such English-speaking practice videos, don't forget to subscribe and like. Do also give your comment. Thank you.
Credits. Tutorial. Rajen Jani. Text. Microsoft Copilot. Images. Copilot Image Creator. Audio. Google Cloud Text-to-Speech. Parts of Speech. Google Cloud Natural Language API. Python Code. Google Gemini AI. Video Editor. Kdenlive.